Hi, my name is Bekah. Welcome to my video series, Everyday English Every Day. Today we're talking about the disadvantages of working remotely. We're going to listen to a conversation I had with my friend Nono, who has experience working from home. Let me know in the comments below, do you work from home? What are your thoughts about working remotely? For a little more, we're going to talk about the expression cookie cutter. Okay, so my friend Nono works from home. She has worked both, in an office and from home, and she does think that there are advantages of working remotely, but there's a couple disadvantages too, and she's going to share them in this video clip. I want you to pick out the following phrases from our conversation. Let's practice them together. Repeat after me. Disadvantages of working remotely. To convey emotions. Can see sarcasm. Misconstruing what people are saying. Okay, let's watch the video together. At one point it cuts out a little, but I have it written here, okay, what she says. Now remember, once you hear these phrases, you should also pause the video and repeat them aloud. Again, repetition is super important. Let's watch the video together.
However, there's still like disadvantages of working remotely. You don't have that face-to-face with people. It's difficult to convey emotions, like as I'm talking to you, you can see like sarcasm. You kind of have to be very cookie cutter in terms of the communication, because you can find yourself misconstruing what people are saying. So that's probably the only thing I don't particularly enjoy about working remotely.
Okay, let's look at some of these ideas a little more. So advantages are the positives, right? The pros. Disadvantages are the negatives, the cons. When we work remotely, it means that you're telecommuting or working from home. The idea is that you're not commuting to a place to work. So for me, an advantage of working remotely is that I can be home with my kids. A disadvantage of working remotely is that I can't socialize with coworkers in a face-to-face setting. Share in the comments what you think are advantages and disadvantages of working from home. Okay, to convey emotions. It's difficult to convey emotions, like as someone is talking to you. You can see sarcasm. So when we're not face-to-face, it's difficult to convey these emotions. When you convey information or feelings, it means that you are explaining them to others, that others can understand them. So it's difficult when you don't see each other, when you're not face-to-face. Because when someone's talking to you, you can see facial expressions, you can see their body language, right? You can read the people better, we say. When you can read someone, you can kind of understand what they're thinking or feeling. It's easier to express and understand emotions in face-to-face meetings. Do you agree? Share your ideas in the comments. Okay, so you can see sarcasm. Sarcasm is kind of like irony or ridicule, right? It's a kind of criticism. So when I can see it, it means I can notice it or be aware of it. I can say, he is so sarcastic. His comments are often bitterly powerful. Now, doing something bitterly means you're doing it angrily, right? It's kind of resentfully being done. Now, Nono also said, misconstruing what people are saying, not with. Let me change that. So misconstruing means that you're interpreting something wrongly. You're not understanding it correctly. You can find yourself misconstruing what people are saying when you're not face-to-face with them. Okay, guys, for a little more, we're talking about cookie cutter. So something that's cookie cutter is like mass produced. It looks the same. There are no distinguishing characteristics, right? So there's nothing special about it. So this is a cookie cutter. You use it and you make the same shape over and over. It's all the same. So she says, you have to be very cookie cutter in terms of your communication. You know, you can't go out and be kind of crazy, or you have to be very direct and, you know, when you're not actually face to face with someone. So it's kind of a different style you need to use when you work remotely with people than if you were in the same room as them. So I can also use this as an adjective like this. This black dress is so unique and stylish. It is so much better than that other cookie cutter dress design. That other black cookie cutter dress design. Can you use this expression? Use it in the comments below and I can check it for you. All right, guys, if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. New videos are posted on Mondays and Wednesdays. Comment below, ask me questions, and send me an email if you have any other information you would like to share or ask. All right, guys, keep up the great work. Check out my other videos. Check out all of my different videos, like maybe how to improve your life, right? Some good tips on ways to maybe be more effective and productive. All right, guys. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.